Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're going to look at the website Somali For Kids, which is available also as an app. For facility, I've put a desktop button on my phone, but you can access it also through your browser, so that could be Chrome or Safari. And once you press on it, you just need to type somaliforkids.nomadps.com, and this will take you to our website. So if you press the Let's Start button, you will get to the Learn category. Now, this page has many different options. The first option is the numbers. And if you press with the arrows back and forth, you can access the different numbers. In order to hear the sound, press the play button.
Laba. Sadeh.
You can press it as many times as you want. And then if you want to return, press the little book at the bottom of the page. Now you have the other category that is free, which is the alphabet. And once again, functions the same way. If you wish to access the other categories, it is available for a small fee, and it's a one-time fee for life. You can access all the learning category for that same price of £1.99. And this will enable us to continue developing all the different words available for this application. Now, you have currently, just to show you an example of another category, you have one which is family.
Hoyo. Apple.
Now, if you wish to download it as an app, what you can do is go in the menu and press the Download App button. And here you will have the option to download it for Android. And you just need to press the download button. Make sure that your settings offer you the option of Allow Unknown App. If you don't know how to do it, just follow the link on this page and it will show you how to proceed. Please like this video if you did, follow us and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.